Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna film the October project pan update, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, if you're curious about this makeup, I did film it. It will be live soon. I don't know when, maybe in 2 weeks or something like that, or next week. But I did film a get ready with me using these new products in the project pan. But I will talk about the pricing of these products and the total amount for the project pan. And that was a pretty interesting video to film. I will link it down below, but it will be available soon. So let's start in random order. I do have my MAC highlighter first on my list, and I will pop a short video with the highlighter. We do have a 30 uses goal. I don't know if I want to put that at 50 or not. I'm not sure yet, but we have 12 uses for August and 14 for September. And that is 26 in total, so we only have 4 uses left that I will do in October. I will see after the 4 uses if I want to still continue to use this highlighter or not, and we will see if in the next month I will swap it out or not, but for now it is a really good highlighter. Of course, I'm using it today and I will let it in my project pan for at least 1 more month. The next product is the MAC lipstick in the shade Kinda Sexy, and it looks something like this. It is so unbelievably tiny. I will put a picture. Finally, I did mark this product again. It is so small. I hope I will use it up in the next 2 months, and I'm using this one as well on my lips. I am very excited. I hope I will finish this one soon. I think it's possible. So let's hope for the best. And next we have the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I will pop a video with this one as well. I have a giant pen in it. I am so happy. I do have this powder today as well. I need to stop saying that because most of this product, I think only one is not on my face, so they are on my face. I have a huge dip in it. I am very excited. I think it is possible for me to finish this one very soon. So I am excited. And by soon, I mean in the next 2 months or 3, but hopefully this will be finished until the end of the year. I am very excited and happy that I put this in my project pan. Panning press powders is pretty easy, so I really love having one of these in the project pan, and you can see the progress very fast. The 4th thingy here is actually the Huda Beauty Mercury retrograde, and I have a story for this one. I will not put a video just because we are swapping this one out. I hit pan on one more shade, this one, the brownie here, brownie nude. It's called Crash. I do have a very tiny pen in it. Maybe you will be able to see. But except that, I don't think I hit pan in anything else. I adore this palette, but sadly, I think this shade, the shade Galaxy, did irritate my eyes. I just have a feeling, I don't know for sure, but oh, I think I hit a pen on the Supernova shade as well. If you can see, I think that I didn't have pen in the beginning, but anyway, yeah, I think the shimmery shades probably did irritate my eyes. So I will declutter this product. I am so sad. I really love this palette. It is a very beautiful palette, but it is what it is. We will swap it out for this one. This is the Nabla Cutie palette in the shade Wild Berry. I will put a video with this one as well. I do have a pretty good dip in the shade Incense, the first one. I do have that on my eyes in the crease in here. and I think this will be very nice to pan. It's a really good palette and a very nice color story, so I decided to put this one in the project pan. The next product is the Maybelline Fit Me Primer, and I will pop the video. As you can see, the packaging is a bit more squished so I don't think I have that much product left. I did put a line around here. I tried in the video to show it, but the packaging is black, so yeah, I can't see it exactly, but I am just below the writing in here. And yeah, I think this could be done in the next months, and I'm very excited about that as well. The next product is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage, and I do have lines on this one, so it is a bit easier to see. I did remove this month the stopper. I do have a pretty good amount of product on the spoolie and around the walls of the product, but I am happy that I did remove the stopper, and I think this could be done in the next months as well. Really good concealer, but is not my favorite anymore. Next we have the NYX Butter Gloss, and this one as well I will swap it out. This is how much I have left. It's just a tiny bit on the bottom. This is not my favorite gloss. Is not that hydrating. I don't recommend it, and like I said, it's not my favorite, but I'm almost done with it, so I decided to put in the project pan another lip oil, lip gloss type of product, and this is the Clarins lip comfort oil in the shade 10 Plum. I really love this formula. It's so nice, and I have used a pretty tiny amount of product. I think this will take a bit longer. I think 1 month will not be enough to finish this product, and it is a colorful lip oil as well, so I think I will not use it every day, but I love it. It is a really good formula, so I decided to put it in the project pan. And then we have the ABH Cream Bronzer. This is the shade Golden Tan, and I will swap this one out as well, just because I recently bought 2 new cream bronzers. I'm not gonna buy more than 2, but I want to test those out a lot more, so I decided to swap that one for a powder bronzer, and this is the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. I think I had this one last year in the project pan as well, or in the beginning of this year, but I do have already a pan in it. I will put a video, and I'm very excited. I really love this bronzer. It's really good quality. I loved the ABH bronzer as well, but just because I do have right now 2 new cream bronzers in my collection, I would like to use those more and just try to extend the pan on the Essence one. And then we have the 2 small liners. These are the 2 liners. The first one is the LA Girl in the shade Vivid, and we have the Sephora in the shade Waterfall. I will put a picture. I think I sharpened the LA Girl like twice or 3 times, and the Waterfall shade, I think I just sharpened it today once. So that's the update, but I did put 2 new lines on the paper, so I'm very happy about that. And I think these 2 pencils could be done until the end of the year, but I'm not sure at this point. For some reason I'm going pretty fast in this video, so this is the last item in the project pan, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I have the shade 110 Porcelain, and the line is right here. I'm almost done with it, so I think I will finish this one in the next month, probably, hopefully, and I will add another foundation into the project pan. So overall, I think until the end of the year, I will be able to finish this concealer, the primer, the foundation, and then what else? For sure, I will finish this thingy, the NYX Butter Gloss. I think I will finish the Clarins as well in these 3 months. That is not very hard to do. And then the powder, maybe, I'm not sure if I will be able to finish this one. It has a pretty large pen in it, but I'm not sure if I will be able to finish it. If I'm gonna repress it, then I will know if I can finish it or not, but it's not ready to repress at this moment. The pencils as well, I'm not sure. I will use a bunch this one, I feel like, because green is more autumn, I feel like, than purple. But today I'm using this one, so... And my hair is still purple, so this is going with my hair better. For sure, I will not finish the bronzer, the highlighter, or the palette. Maybe I will be able to hit pan on this incense shade, but I don't think I will be able to finish any shade or something like that. And I hope I will finish this lipstick. I will finish this lipstick. I'm not gonna say I hope, I'm gonna say that I will, because this is unbelievable. Like, the whole year I used this lipstick and it's still not done. That shows me and you that lipsticks and blushes and highlighters are very hard to pan. Bronzers as well could be very hard to pan. So we need to just be a bit more mindful of our purchases and yeah. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.